Have you tried Japanese milk bread? It's incredibly soft, fluffy, and delicious. Made with ingredients like flour and milk, it provides carbohydrates that can give your body energy.
You know just how I land. You pull it apart slow, soft as a secret hell. That first bite hits me like I forgot myself. Oh, I can't fake it. You got that way of moving me. A little sweet, a little soft, right where I wanna be. Japanese milk bread, so soft. Japanese milk bread, I melt in the middle. Japanese milk
And because it's soft and delicious, it can make a simple meal more enjoyable. Just remember, enjoy it in moderation and pair it with nutritious foods for a balanced meal.
Steam in the little room. You tear off another piece and hand it straight to